Hey guys, this is Bryce. In today's video, I want to show you something a bit different from the other videos. In the spring season, you can extract the sap from the birch tree. Drinking the sap of birch tree is something really healthy. It's good for your kidneys, for your lungs, for your blood. If you want to lose weight, it's also healthy. So yeah, it's really something beneficial. Have a few glasses per day, like 1 or 2 glasses per day, ideally in the morning. And yeah, let's check it out. It's clear like water. It doesn't have a specific smell. There is some sweetness, but hard to describe smell-wise. On the taste side, I would say it's smooth, really smooth, and it reminds me a bit of coconut water. It's a bit sweet, tiny bit fruity, a bit smooth and syrupy, but not sweet like maple syrup. It's really refreshing. This was collected this morning. Already had a few glasses while shooting this video. So you don't want to do this extraction from the birch tree too long. It has to be done from the early spring until your tree start to have small green leaves, because this is like the blood of the birch tree, right? The tree needs those nutrients. So we are just taking a little bit to feed ourselves, and as soon as the birch tree has those green leaves, we stop it and leave him all the precious energy for the rest of the year. So the tree is not giving any more sap. This is from yesterday. You see it's really nothing, and it already fermented because of the sun. So what we will do is close the line. We will not take from this tree because here you have birds nesting, so I don't want to bother them. But first I want to close this. So this is a branch that fell from the birch tree. Okay. Fits in. Here it's sealed as well. It's an old one. All right. Good enough. So now I'm going to wash this and go to another birch tree, drill a new hole and extract some more sap. Alright, here's a new tree, birch tree. I will not do this one, drill this one, because we have birds nesting and I don't want to bother them. So what I do, we'll drill here. See, already comes out. Just a bit deeper. It's pouring pretty fast. As you can see. So this is so nothing gets in the bottle, especially because of the birds nesting above in the tree next to this one. So yeah, hopefully this tree will give a bit more sap than the previous one. Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and feel free to leave a comment if you have anything to say about the video, or if you have done the same back home. No,